How to recover Microsoft Authenticator. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Play Store application and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. That leads you to manage your Google account. So tap on manage your Google account. As you do that, here you can see different options at the top. So just swipe it to the left and tap on security. Now scroll down and under the section of how you sign into Google, you can see two-step verification. So tap on two-step verification. Next, what you simply need to do is tap on the option over here. Just scroll down and tap on the Authenticator. So right now you can see there is no Authenticator app that have been added. So just tap on it and you can just add on your devices over here by tapping on your device's name and your number, and you'll be able to recover and restore Microsoft Authenticator account in your new phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.